Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola device to Google Pixel 7 Pro. You need to start by opening Play Store on both. Then click on the search bars, type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now on Google Pixel you need to choose Allow or Don't Allow in this notifications pop-up. And then in order to use Send Anywhere app, tap on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now on Motorola, do exactly the same. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. After that, select Receive on Google Pixel at the bottom and Send on Motorola smartphone by clicking at the bottom left corner. Now tap on all of those type of dots from all of those categories. Then when you're ready, click on Send over here. This way you select all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take some time though, so I will go with only one. Maybe this one. Click on Send and then tap on Got It. Now click on one of those options on Google Pixel, yes I agree or no thanks, and tap on Close this window. Finally, we have two ways to connect. We can input this key here, we have a lot of time to do it. And then connect by tapping on Receive button, or we can scan this QR code. If you want to scan it, select this scanning icon over here above User Guide on Google. Choose while using the app or only this time. And point your device's camera at the QR code. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photos were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!